Today we are going to make one crochet earrings idea, really fast and really cool. For you to use in autumn or Halloween season, I will use one needle of 2.5 meter and a 2mm wire. Let's start by making the magic ring. After 3 chains, following, now let's go to work. 3 more double crochet. So counting the initial currents. We got 4 points here. Soon I finalized the 4th double crochet. I keep making 4 chains. Now inside the magic ring, I will work a half double crochet. I pull all the straps at once. I made the half double crochet. I make 2 chains and work a half double crochet, loop inside the ring. Loop and take off all the straps. I make 4 chains. Now let's close the magic ring carefully and make a slip stitch in the 3rd initial current. For the 2nd round, we are going to do a chain and 4 single crochet, 1 point to each base point. After making the 4 single crochet, within that current space, we're going to work 6 half double crochet. So I made the 1st, 2nd, 3rd until we get 6 points here in space. On top of point, medium, let's introduce the needle and make a single crochet. And within that space of 2 currents, we go to work. 3 half double crochet, after making the 3 half double crochet, we will repeat it all again. Then make 1 single crochet here in next half double crochet. In the next space of the currents, we will work 6 half double crochet. After doing this, we are going to cut the yarn and do the finishing. Then with the tapestry needle, we are going to do this final finish. Skip the first point, insert the needle into the next one, front to back. Then I come back. At the last point, picking up these 3 half double crochet handles, step the needle forward. Come back to the point, that first point we had skipped. I take the needle back, put softly, and I finish here in the part. Piece reverse. I do this with both leftovers of wires. Now I'm going to work with green wire. So here at the third single crochet, I insert the needle. I seek wire work 1, 2, 3. 4 gullies. I skip the first. And I keep making a slip stitch. For each current, then it will be 3 slip stitch. After that, I make a slip stitch here at the base. I will cut my wire and finish with the tapestry needle. This piece, you can use it as one application, and here I will use my piece as one toy. So I'm going to need 2 earrings rings and also an earrings hook. Then I open one of the rings. I'm going to introduce the ring right here where I made the cape. Then I open the second ring and put the earrings hook. So this is the result of our crochet piece today. This beautiful and cute pumpkin earrings for autumn or Halloween. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, don't forget to leave your like.